channel, Shanna4REAL, where I keep it real. You already know what's good. And today I'm back with another video. And today is going to be a different video. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be calling it the Entrepreneur Series. I see a lot of people doing it, so I'm like, I should do it too, you know, because like, I am basically an entrepreneur now. So, I'm going to be doing like an Entrepreneur Series, and basically it's going to be about my business and my brand. If you guys don't know, I am a hairstylist, so I do hair. I do have a hair page. I'll link it below. I usually only link my personal page, but I will link my hair page below, which is __Shanna4 hair. And yeah, so basically I do hair, and I decided to actually start making some products. Like, I started making like wig bags, like wig or hair bags, silk ones. I made silk scarves, and now I moved on to products, which I want to have my own basically beauty supply. And this product right here is my edge control line. I have two types of edge controls. One is strong hold, one is medium hold, and it's in this box. And I've actually been waiting to make this video so I could open this box. I had this box for probably about a week now, but I wanted to do it on video and such and such. So let's open this box because I'm excited to see it. I already know how it looks, but like to see it in real life is gonna be lit. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I don't know. Okay. I don't know where to cut it. Holy crap! Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out. Ooh, oh, we got shit there. Anyway, guys, after a struggle to take it open, this is my edge controls. So this is a closer look. Oh no, there, full focus. Shanna4REAL, which is the name of my brand, and this is the medium edge control, and it's clear. This, I don't know, the light is so bright. Yeah, there you go, you can focus. So that's the medium one. Oh my god, the box got dented. Oh my god, guys, look at one of my edge controls that got dented. I'm so mad. Oh wow, I hope none of them. Yay. Oh no, two of them got dented. I'm so, oh my god, guys, wow. A lot of them got dented. A lot of these are dented. This is not good, not good, not good, not good. Okay, so I guess these three are definitely gonna have to be discounted. Look at this, guys. It came in the box, and look how destroyed it got. Crazy. But yeah, hopefully none of them, because the stronghold is, the stronghold, okay, a couple of them got dented, so I'm gonna have to definitely discount some of these. This is like 3. This one is really, really bad, so I'll probably discount some of those. But yeah, I ordered 50 edge controls just to start because I wanted to see how it actually works, like sell, if people like them. Probably should have made everything in this container. So this is the medium whole container. They're all good. This one obviously, oh my god, this is bad. Like, this one is so bad. Like, look at that. It's crazy. But okay, we'll put these to the side. Oh, I know which ones are bad and which ones are good. So, okay, that's enough of that. But okay, guys, this is the edge controls. I said this is the stronghold. This holds so good, guys, and I mean super duper good. It's clear. It holds really, really good. Like, I took some coarse hair with this when I tried my sample, and it's bomb. So for my stuff, because I'm going to be making a website, it will be up very shortly. I'm just kind of figuring out my shipping because I obviously don't want people to be paying an arm and a leg. So for the most part, my website is actually finished being made. I made it super simple because I'm not really about doing, my website's not really about the looks, it's more about the product. So that's pretty much done. After that, I'll be selling these online so everyone can order from there. So when my website is up, I will link it down below and you guys can order some stuff. So this is the bin I'm going to be using to store some stuff. I don't have much stuff yet, so maybe in the future I might have to get more bins, but like for now I think this should do pretty good. I hope all these fit in these 2 drawers. But this is the wig bags I make. So it's a silk bag like this. You can put your hair in it, your bundles, your wig if you're going to travel, and then you just string it, and it's like a good packaging. You don't even have to use it for hair, you can use it for anything, but like that's what I made them for. Keep your hair protected. Nice little travel bag, and it's cute. Has little tassels, as you guys can see, and it has my brand logo. And I just reordered some more of these silk edge wraps, as you guys can see. You know, when you're laying your frontal, you want to just put it down like that. And it's actually cute, it's kind of stylish. Like my friend, she actually wears this as just a headband because it's kind of stylish, you know what I mean? But yeah, so these are also the headbands I have. And what else is going to be sold on the site? So far, I have my wig bags, my wig wraps, my 2 different types of edge controls, and I'm going to be selling stocking caps because I know here in Canada or Toronto, the stocking caps they sell, they only have black, dark brown, and the white, which is like beige, like not even beige, it's like more on the whiter side. And obviously I know there's different skin tones, so I'll be selling black, medium brown, dark brown, like a blonde color, and a nude color. So a lot of people use nudes if they can't find their exact skin tone, and they will just paint their foundation on it and it matches. But we don't have like the light brown, so the medium brown, so I'll be selling those, wig caps. I'll be having edge control brushes to go with this. So if you guys order one of these, you guys can order an edge control brush to go with your edge control. And last thing I'm going to be selling for now is going to be my hair oil. I'm actually manufacturing that myself. I ordered my bottles, so I'm waiting for my bottles to come, and then I'm going to make my formula for the oils. And yeah, and that's pretty much it for now what I'm selling. I'm slowly going to add more and more stuff. I kind of want to do a moisturizer, but I have to really do my research on that because, yeah, my oil, I know for sure I want it to be like 100% pure oils. Because if you guys do notice, sometimes when you go to the hair store, say the coconut oil, but it'll have bare ingredients in it. That ain't no, I wouldn't say it's not real coconut oil. It's not pure. Like, it has like a multiple ingredients. It should have like 3 or so ingredients. It shouldn't have like 10,000 ingredients in it. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be selling on my site. And I will be doing more videos on like, how basically I do this entrepreneur stuff. But yeah, so this edge control, guys, as I said before, it is bomb. And the thing I like about this too, it is water-based. So I find that, so like, I don't know if you guys find that when you guys use edge control, sometimes when it's super like oily edge control, you'll put it in, it slicks like on point, and then after like a few minutes or so, it just melts out, and like your hair's not slicked, it's just smooth kinda, and it looks oily. This is water-based, so it will not have your edges looking like that, guys. Super strong hold. I'll do videos on it, and you guys can check out my hair page on Instagram to see how this edge control holds up. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for now. So just like really an unboxing videos, and I'm so sad about these. Like, this is so like, oh my god, that's bad. But yeah, I'll probably give a couple of these away. Like, this one is really bad, but I'll probably give a couple of these away. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for more entrepreneur videos. I will label them or title them entrepreneur videos so you guys know if you guys want to come back and watch. I'll probably do another video on how I actually got started if you guys have any questions about that and want to know more detail. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably do a video too on like how to actually start your business, because I know a lot of people don't know where to start, because I was kind of confused too. And yeah, I just did my research and went and did it. So I'll do another video about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe, guys, for more videos on the way. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.